Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming new smartphone from OnePlus, the OnePlus Note design, is revealed in the latest video promo. Make sure to like this video, guys, and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. So, the hype surrounding against OnePlus upcoming Note series is reaching its tipping point as we are expecting the phone to debut next week. The latest promo video finally gives us a brief look at one of the devices for a split second, which also confirms the design. It around the 1 minute mark, we get a close-up of the phone front, which show the display with its dual punch hole, and also reveal the right hand side, which feature the alert slider and power button. The ad then quickly transitioned to a shot of the phone's back, where we see the thin rectangular camera cutout, OnePlus logo in the middle, and LED flash which is separated from the camera module. In addition to the video, we also get a confirmation the device will be powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset straight from the OnePlus Note page on Amazon India. This is hardly surprise as OnePlus CEO founder Kerli P revealed the news in an interview earlier this week. It remains to be seen how many phones will be announced by OnePlus, given that Note is a series and not just one device. The only creation thing is that the Note series will be competing in the mid-range segment where OnePlus started its journey back in 2014. The other rumor specification of the OnePlus upcoming smartphone OnePlus Nord is a 5G and 6.55-inch big screen with a octa-core 2.4 GHz and Adreno 620 GPU. The RAM is not the officially confirmed, but rumor says it's 6 GB and 128 GB of storage with UFS 2.1, and it has a 3 camera on the back side, and the front facing is a dual selfie camera. The battery is not confirmed, but rumor says it may be around 4300 mAh battery with a fast charging 30 watt, and some rumor says the color is available in only one, which is blue color. So this is the rumored specification of the upcoming OnePlus Nord 5G smartphone. Make sure to like this video, and guys, if you have any question about this smartphone and any thought, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out. Bye bye.